We got Michael here cleaning the front. We've taken everything that's plastic off of the bike and a few other odds.
We got random 2 girls over there.
Yeah. So my phone keeps dying.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. So we've stripped the dirt bike of everything that it doesn't need, like plastics. TTO.
Hold up.
This is what?
It doesn't need the seat.
Bruh, I don't want to get probed by the airbox in there. Move. So, yeah, we're gonna take it for a test ride. Hello. Yeah.
Drive it like that.
You just dumped gasoline.
What?
You just dumped gasoline and then blowing that fire out of the engine.
Oh yeah.
that was.
It was smart. That's what it was.
That was freaky, dude. The fire was blowing out of there, and there was gas that was on the ground.
Bike is beautiful now. So it's stripped down. I mean, it still runs and everything. Pretty snazzy. Got Jameson, Jordan, and Michael, and I'm actually the only one not doing anything.
You're fine. Right in there.
She okay?
Yeah.
The beautiful chrome tip.
Yeah, I'm gonna spray some stuff on this so it shines more. Actually, no, it's
Yeah.
That's what we're gonna put on it. We're gonna put this on it to make it shine.
Got the exhaust super clean. I've never seen the exhaust this clean. Chrome looking nice. Yeah. Thanks to Jameson and some other people. Got this one looking nice too. What? Don't smell me. The bike's gonna be put back together after it gets washed, and yeah. See what happens when I.
I'm gonna turn the light off.
Wait, I gotta turn it on. Yeet! Yeah. Okay. Alright, we got some of this stuff back on.
I need to take a shower. So he's buffing it up, making the metal look nice.
Yeet! Crumbing it up.
He just made a big mess right here.
I'm sorry.
But it's looking clean. Like, you still have all that to put back on. These rims never look so shiny. Like,
It's a dirt bike. It's not supposed to be clean, but it is.
is that a bad thing?
We're gonna go mudding tomorrow.
So it's literally been 20 minutes, and this is what he's got done since the last video. Like, I mean, I'm really proud of this, because, like, this was brown before, but now it's, like, nice and silver. Well, with this far, so far, I swear we've had a variety of music on this video so far. There's been so many different types playing. Alright, I've got most of the panels on. We had a little problem with this back panel, but we just fixed it. So, yeah, it's almost there. So we have to charge the battery a little bit because it completely died. But we're just gonna mess around for a second and you know, see how quickly this heats up. Hold on, don't do it till I tell you.
Ready?
Wait.
It's already a little
Whoa.
warm.
Yeah. Alright, go ahead.
Guys, me and Jameson are finished with the bike. It took a lot longer than it should have. I don't know why.
We're out here for a long time.
It's probably the cleanest it's ever gonna be. Again, the exhaust. I don't know if you noticed. This was all